Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you are seeing my face and hearing my voice, my name is Miss Renee Richards. So please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and with your family, and turn on the notification bell as well. So guys, it's Sunday, and normally today is Man and Mari's Sunday Funday, where we'd normally, do some little activities, get out of the house, and just relax and have some fun. So today I'm taking him out to a place where he's never been before, that I've never been before, and I've been trying to do some new things with him, open his mind up to some new experiences and create some new memories. So taking you guys along with me on our Sunday fun day, and yeah, stick around. Let's go. Mari?
Yes?
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm going with my phone.
Guys, on my phone? Alright, come on then, let's go.
Which way?
This way, we'll go this way.
Where are we going?
Somewhere fun.
But what's the name of the place?
Somewhere fun.
That's not the name of the place.
Yes, it is. It's called Somewhere Fun.
Somewhere fun.
Somewhere fun.
Where is somewhere fun?
Somewhere fun. You're going to the barbers.
I already went barbers.
With your clothes. Alright, so where are we going?
To a fun place in town.
To a fun place. Somewhere that is fun. Amari still does not know where we are going, but we are nearly there.
And when I told everyone who's watching right now.
I didn't tell everyone.
But you did on the last video.
But they're gonna know where we're going because I'll put it in the description, in the link, in the title. Press the buzzer. Oh, we don't need to. Come, let's cross. So Mari, I'm gonna give you a clue to where we're going. Yeah.
Okay.
The clue is it starts with an A. The place that we're going, it starts with an A.
The Apple Center.
The Apple Center? What the hell is that apple?
Oh, I know! It is the Apple Center. The apples are like the iPhone apple.
The iPhone apple?
Yeah, we're going to be the Apple industry when they created the iPhones.
Yeah, no, we're not going to the Apple Center. I don't even think there's an Apple Center where we live. So guys, no, we're not going to the Apple Center. Do you want to guess again?
Okay. Pay to win.
A what?
Pay to win.
We're going to a catering.
Pay to win.
A painting.
Pay to art gallery.
We're going to, what did you call it first?
Pay to win.
A painting.
No, pay to win.
Pay to win.
Yeah.
What is a pay to win?
An art gallery.
Art, what?
Are we going to an art gallery?
Maybe.
Yes, I knew it.
We are going to the art gallery.
Oh, fun.
It's gonna be fun.
What are we doing out there?
Oh, what do you do? Do you have any? Okay, so at the art gallery, you look at art.
That's not fun.
That is so fun. We're heading to the art gallery. So I think, from what I read, the art gallery is somewhere near here. Guys, I've been trying to find things in our area to do, different experiences. So this was one of the things that I saw on Google, and I was like, oh, we've never been to the art gallery before, so let's go. Well, it's inside, Amari. What does that say?
It says this monument was erected by public subscription to commemorate a
Devoted.
Devoted to the service of the community. Field.
So AD.
AD 19.
And that was this. It's this person here. It says his name is Sir Alexander Sadler Knight. Don't know who he is.
1840.
So he was born in 1842 and he died in 1911.
19.
And when did they put up this monument? In 1913, so like 2 years after he died. So we're gonna have to Google who this person is when we go back home. So the art gallery, guys, is just there.
Where?
Just there. Where it says M-I-M-A. So, oh Marion, that's the library.
Are we going there?
No, not today.
Yay!
Really? You make it look so bad.
That's boring.
The library is boring. Reading books is boring.
No, it isn't. Just the entire place, but not the books. Everything is good, but the place isn't. Just everything.
The rest is not for the swift, yeah. Let me tell you who put in the work. None of them smile up in their face next day.
Wait a minute.
Can't just people who won't please people. Some roll by myself. Me see them artists bitter. Them all about the money, yeah. Them all about the glitter, yeah. Quick fist a baby.
So it's free entry, guys. So we don't have to pay. Go on.
We have to pay.
No. Do you want to sanitize your hands? Good morning.
The gallery on today.
Gallery.
Well, there you go. So it's just the ground floor open today.
Oh, okay.
So the upstairs are getting all like, so it's getting like a change
A
around.
change around.
refurbished
Oh,
and
nice.
all sorts going on,
That's
so.
fine. So we're only going to go downstairs today because upstairs has been refurbished. Yeah? We only can stay downstairs today because upstairs has been refurbished. Yeah? That's fine. Thank you. Look. We've got some pretty little books. Oh, this is nice. So, where are we? Oh, so those were the bags that he was saying. So we can come back and get our bag. So where's the ground? So where's the ground? Did we go through there?
Yeah, just go in there. There's 2 gallery assistants in there. If you've got any questions about the show or Mima or anything, just have a wander around and you'll come out the same way.
That's fine, thank you. Ooh.
Quick fist sell it out to the next nigga. And if I want size, I already know she hear it up. Now what about mine? I want be in Gucci watch. And everything, let me tell her the time, you know. And everything, let me tell her the time, you know. Still I go and live my life all when time I done nothing I go on. The rest is not for the Swiss, yeah. Let me tell her who put in the work. Enough of them smile up in your face next day, one put in the dirt. Can't trust people, won't please people, so me stay by myself. Wake up this morning, wake up this morning.
I'm not done with it. Like, these are the... I can't touch them, but you can open it. These are nice. Let's see what it says here. So it says Harrogate Museum. They made a dress in the 19... Do you think Mummy would look pretty in this dress? Not a hat here. Look, it says it's already time to think about Christmas. I don't know if I think this is a magazine or a newspaper. What does it look like here? No accidents in 2 million hours. Wow. Look at these ties. So these are some ties from in the 1950s. They look so old.
from the 1950s. What's it going to be?
Still I go and live my life all when time I done nothing I want. The rest is not for the swift, yeah. Let me tell you who put in the world. Enough of them smile up in their face next day won't put in.
Larry asked what is left behind Annie and behind by Britain's large industries. And your Daniel's installation draws in memory circles the artist's relationship to place. Wow. Okay. So let's see what if this room is what they found in this room. So these are stuff that they found, I guess, while they were drilling underground, isn't it? Look at this rock. This rock looks nice. This piece of rock, isn't it?
This is fun.
This
is fun.
This is fun? Oh, I thought you said this was going to be boring.
We're not doing anything. We're just
Oh, so this, doesn't this look like the salt that I always buy?
Huh?
The pink salt that I always buy, yeah. And it says that this sample contains halite, which is rock salt, and gypsum, a mineral that is formed when water is added to anhydrite. This is so cool.
Can't just people who won't please people. Some me work by myself. Wake up this morning, give thanks to the birds.
Guys, you know, like when I film a nice big pretty artwork, would I look nice right here? So, caricature.
We got to pass the obby.
Eh?
We got to pass the obby. We got to get all the way up there and get back down safely, I think.
Yeah, but you couldn't.
If that's what you're supposed to do.
No. You're just supposed to look. Okay, interesting. Okay. Not sure what these are supposed to be, but you know, interesting. This looks like a interesting piece of outfit. I guess art, just like beauty, the beauty of art is in the eyes of the beholder, because you know, this looked interesting. Mari, did I wear this? I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be giving, but you know, it's giving red in the woods. So let's see. So fashions. This is nice, pretty fashions in, I guess, what could be 1950s, I guess. 1966 it says.
And everything me tell her take time, you know. And everything me tell her take time, you know. Still I go and live my life all when time I done nothing I go on. The rest is not for the Swiss, yeah. Let me tell you who put things well. Never them smile up in your face next day won't put it there. Can't just people won't please people.
So guys, this was the most interesting room of the whole gallery experience. In this room, they had different clothing items and footwear that was actually made from plants. Yep, from bamboo. I think some of the items were made from bamboo. Some of them were made from pineapple. Who could have thought that pineapple could be used to make footwear or clothing? So it was really cool, and we were able to feel some of the different materials as well. Some of them felt like leather. I think the pineapple, from what I can remember, the pineapple material actually felt like leather. So that was really, really interesting. And I guess these materials are not only vegan, but they are friendly to the planet as well. Oh, Mary, look. Mary. This is made from pineapple. That's made from pineapple as well. This is made from sheep. No. So we actually found materials that was made from weed, from marijuana, from hemp. Nettles was one of them as well, that they made some of these materials out of. And corn. Who could think that we could use corn to make materials? Yeah, so guys, I thoroughly enjoyed this room. Alpaca fiber, I'm not sure what that one is. Corn, yeah, too. Oh, I didn't know we could touch it.
This one would have recycled. I'm looking for the factory.
Still I want live my life all when time I done nothing I want. The rest is not for the swift, yeah. Let me tell you who put in the work. Enough of them smile up in their face, next day won't put in the dirt. Can't trust people who won't please people. Some of them by myself. Wake up this morning, give thanks to the breeze I blow. I know from a friend them past and gone, they know the cemetery. Tell mama say me not dead early. More life, more strength in my rolling. Fat bins fly past on the highway. And a couple pretty girls they are with me. Still I go and live my life all when time I done nothing I want.
So it says this work is on homage to two women. One was a dancer, one was an artist. And they represent women working through their creation and were deeply impacted by the violence. Wow. Okay. So basically this room is a whole dance floor. Oh, so it would have been nice to be able to go upstairs. So we're back where we started. So, yeah, it would have been nice to go upstairs, isn't it? But they said that upstairs is being refurbished, so I guess we came at the wrong time, guys.
We what?
Hmm?
We what?
That's it.
No, what is upstairs being done to?
No, they're fixing it up. So that's what we call home if you want to. Yeah? Yeah? Say thank you?
Thank you.
They can't hear you. So what does it say to me? Turn around a minute. We've got lots of goodies, making at home. Yeah, so we can do that when we go home, yeah? Is that okay?
So where are we going now?
We're going somewhere else. Thank you. When will upstairs be?
We're not sure yet.
Mary, how did you find that?
Great.
That was cool? Yeah, it would have been nice if we were able to go upstairs, isn't it?
Yeah, so Jamaican exploded it.
Huh?
Someone exploded it.
Somebody exploded it.
Yes, so you have to rebuild it.
So guys, if you can see behind me, they have got like 2 other floors, but apparently it's being refurbished, so that's why we couldn't get to have a look upstairs, which is a little bit disappointed. I guess that's upstairs is where the little sculptures and and them something there that I was looking forward to. I was looking forward to see some, you know, them big pretty sculpture and, you know, some big crazy paintings and stuff.
And next surprise.
And the next surprise, do you want to guess what the next surprise could be?
What does it start with?
Starts with I.
What? What start with I?
Starts with an I. So guys, I'm gonna go. Like, I'm already in town. I need some washing stuff. So I'm gonna go get some washing stuff and
Are we
then.
going to the next surprise first?
No, I'm gonna get my washing products first, and then we can go to the next surprise. And then we're gonna go home because I have to cook my Sunday dinner, and I have work in a few hours, and I need to go and study. I have an exam coming up, so I need to go do some studying and just, you know, refresh my mind overall in general about how to take care of your teeth, how to make sure that they're sparkling clean at all times. You know, I know there's something there. So yeah. Huh? You're still trying to guess what your surprise is?
I don't know. Give me more words. Just
No,
like
I can't.
a second. Just give me. Please take yourself to sleep.
That's fine, thank you.
I'll do it. Let's see what I saw. Okay.
So we are having dessert before dinner. Isn't that fabulous?
Can I have a fresh orange?
Ooh. Enjoy. Thank you. These look yummy, Amari. So guys, our food is here. So I got a custard with jam, coconut, and Amari got wait. Amari got nice. Tastes good?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Alright guys, I'm gonna sample my cake. It's warm and lovely. Is it for you? The pancake. Guys, you know what? You know, as a single mum, it can be so hard to like juggle everything. I do think it's important to find time for your children, no matter how busy, like, you know, your schedule is. Find time to just take them out, do stuff with them. Like, I grew up with a single mum and a single, very hard-working mum, and after a certain age, I can't remember any memories outside of the house, because my mum was constantly working. So I'm always trying to do something with Amari, once a week, once every 2 weeks, you know, we go somewhere, you know, so we always have memories, so we can grow up with memories outside of the house, so, you know, that you can say, yeah, mum was working, but mum still, you know, we still did stuff. Like now when I go back home, I do my laundry, clean, cook, and then start work. I might have to go study, and I work 2 jobs, and I have uni full time, and I'm a full-time single mum, so it can be very difficult. However, just making sure that I find the balance and find time for him all the time, regardless of how busy my schedule is. So I'm gonna finish my nice pudding, and then we're gonna make our way home. You having fun? Yeah. So how was that?
Great.
That was great.
Can I open it now?
When you go home, Amari, I don't want to press the buzzer. Don't think you can make it. So guys, thank you for coming along this mini vlog with us. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you over in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.